Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this website that pays $500 per hour. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'll be in your best interest right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into the method, guys, I want to say thank you for helping me getting closer and closer to 6,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Let's get there. We have 7 to 8 more days left in March to get there. I want to get there by the end of March, guys. Let's get to 6,000 subscribers by the end of March. And for you new people that just joining the Grind family, please click on the link in the description below if you want to become eligible for the free money giveaway once I hit 6,000 subscribers. So click on that link and become eligible by following those instructions. All right, guys, this method is absolutely free. All you need is a computer or a laptop or even a cell phone and internet connection, and you will be able to do this method and make this money. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Coinbase. So this website buy and sell cryptocurrency. Now, as you know, Bitcoin value is going up every day. Well, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, but it's getting very, very valuable, and people are buying and trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So since it's a trending topic and people want to know more about it, people want to buy cryptocurrency, this will be a great site to start. It's been around for a long time and it's very reputable, so you won't have any issues with this website. Now, for today, you don't have to buy or trade or sell cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. What we're going to do is become affiliate. So we're going to get people to join this site and start buying and selling cryptocurrency. So what you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to click on where it says affiliates. It's going to take you to this page, and you just click right here to become affiliate. Real easy to answer the little questions that they want you to answer to become affiliate. First, you have to get approved, but it should be easy for you to get approved. It's not really that hard. But let's go ahead and learn a little bit about what they offer. So this is how it works. So join our affiliate program and earn commissions by promoting Coinbase. So become an affiliate. After your application is approved, you get access to promotional assets, impact traffic, and software. then you promote on Coinbase. So you link to Coinbase in articles, create new content, or place ads on your website. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you a place where you can go, where a site you can go, and you're gonna get a lot of people want to sign up and want to buy and trade on Coinbase for cryptocurrency. So I'm going to show you that in a minute, so please stick around. So number 3, you're going to earn commissions. When new customers join Coinbase through their promotions, you could earn a commission. So that's how you're going to earn the money, guys. When they join and they start buying and trading or buying and selling on this site, you're going to get commissions, guys. And let me show you how much commission you're going to get. It's a very high number. So earn money with Coinbase. When you refer a new customer to Coinbase, you'll earn, check this out, guys, 50% of their fees for the first 3 months. So for the first 3 months, guys, you're going to earn 50% of their fees. And if you get a lot of people to join, that can be hundreds of dollars, guys, hundreds of dollars. So they got campaign tracking, so you better track your campaign. You better test your campaign with loading page tool. Now, convenient payments, so you get compensated in your local currency. Receive 50% of your referees' trading fees for the first 3 months. And then you get paid electronically via PayPal or your bank account. So guys, you got to have a bank account or PayPal. It's free to sign up with PayPal. Just go to paypal.com. You're probably wondering where we're going to get all these people or a lot of traffic to click on your referral link and start buying and selling on Coinbase. Well, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you a website where you can go. You're going to get a lot of people want to check out Coinbase and sign up. So let me go ahead and go to their website right now. Okay, I'm at the website right now. And of course, I'm at Facebook. So what you're going to do is look for groups to join. So I went ahead and put in Cryptocurrency for Beginners group. So you want to join some cryptocurrency beginners groups, because these people are just learning about cryptocurrency. Because it's so popular now, Bitcoin value is so high, people are going to these groups, want to learn more about it and how to set up a cryptocurrency account. So that's when you come in, and when you join one of these groups, you're going to tell them about, just don't spam your link or your affiliate link. You go in there and say, hey, anybody want to learn a little bit more about trading and buying cryptocurrency? Check me out. Or you can say, hey, comment down below if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency. So you just put that in one of these groups. So as you can see here, you can join this group. It's 74 members. It's Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investing for beginners. Or you can join this group. It's Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for beginners. It has 22,000 members. And this one has 712 members. Kind of small, but hey. This one has 44. Well, this is 4x. I'm sorry. This one right here, Crypto Experts, has 2.5. But like I said, you want to go where it says beginners. So any of the groups that says beginners, you want to go ahead and join them. And like I said before, all you got to do is go in there, start a conversation, and then tell them about Coinbase and have them click on your link. They join, start buying and selling, you get a commission. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, for everybody that watched this video all the way to this point, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now the special bonus is, please type this number that's going to pop across the screen right now. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So type that down in the comment section and you could be the lucky winner of the free money. Okay guys, that's it. Hey guys, please keep leaving creative comments down in the comment section. I will give you a shout out if the comment is creative enough. And once I give you a shout out guys, hey, you could probably start getting more people to come to your YouTube channel, whatever you are talking about. You know, people probably want to check you out. So please drop a creative comment down in the comment section. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys' support. Road to 6,000. Let's get there by the end of this month of March. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these videos here until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind.